Hey everyone, is your Aldi mobile not connecting to 5G? Don't worry, I have got the fix. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to troubleshoot and get your 5G connection up and running. Let's dive in. Ensure your device is 5G compatible and in a 5G coverage area. Update your device's software and carrier settings and set the network preferences to 5G. Reinsert the SIM card to refresh the connection if needed. Why Aldi Mobile not connecting to 5G? Device is not 5G compatible, not in a 5G coverage area, outdated software or carrier settings, incorrect network preferences settings, SIM card not properly inserted or activated, network congestion or temporary outages. Restart your device. Power off your phone completely, wait a few minutes and then turn it back on. This can reset the network connection. For iOS devices, turn off by pressing the power button or power plus volume down. For newer models, wait 10 seconds then turn back on. For Android devices, restart or power off using the power or volume button. Wait 10 seconds. If powered off, then turn back on. Fix to verify 5G coverage. Confirm that you are in an area with a 5G coverage, otherwise, the phone will default to 4G. Go to Aldi Mobile coverage page. Input your address in the search bar. Click search icon to see the 5G network details. Purple color indicates a 5G network and a green color indicate a 4G network. If you are out of the 5G network area, unfortunately you cannot connect to it. Fix 3. Check server status. Checking the service ensure the SIM card is correctly set up and helps diagnose carrier related problems like network outages or restrictions. To check server status, go to Aldi Mobile Service Status page where you can see notification regarding service outages. If error is found their side, the issue will be resolved automatically within 2 hours. Fix 4. Check devices compatibility. Ensure your phone supports 5G and is compatible with Aldi Mobile's network, which use the Telstra wholesale network. To check 5G compatibility on iOS, go to settings, then cellular, then go to cellular data options and look for a 5G under network connect options. On Android, navigate to settings, connections or internet and network, then go to SIM and mobile network. Go to Aldi SIM, preferred network type and check if 5G is listed. Fix 5. Correct network settings. Set your mobile network preferences to 5G in your device's settings. To switch to 5G on iOS, go to settings, then cellular, then go to cellular data options, then voice and data and select 5G auto or 5G on. On Android, go to settings, then connection or network and internet, then go to SIM card and mobile networks. Already mobile SIM, then go to preferred network type and select 5G. Fix 6. Update mobile operating system. Updating your mobile operating system resolve 5G error by fixing software bugs, ensuring compatibility with carrier-specific 5G band and applying the latest network optimization pushed by the carrier. Connect your device to available Wi-Fi connection. For iOS devices, go to settings, then general, then go to software update and tap download and install. For Android devices, go to settings, then system, then go to software update. Check for updates and tap download and install if available. Fix 7. Reinsert the SIM. Reinserting the SIM card resolve 5G connection issues by ensuring contact between the SIM and tray, clearing dust or debris and refreshing the network connection. For iOS, use a SIM ejector tool to remove the SIM tray left or right side. Take out the SIM card, clean it gently, and reinsert it securely. For Android, SIM tray is commonly found on the side, top, or bottom edge. Follow the same process using the ejector tool or a paper clip, ensuring the SIM is properly aligned before reinserting.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.